Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Active English India. So I hope that you all are doing fine and following my IELTS speaking module. So today we're going to start with the writing module. Okay, so I'm starting writing for general examination and not for academic right now. So we're going to start with writing task 2, right? So what all is there in writing task 2? What kind of essays do you get in writing task 2? That I'm going to take up later, but before that I also wanted to share with you the most important thing that comes when you start with your writing task 2, and that is your structure and the format. Okay, the format on which your essay is based, that is the most important thing before starting your question thread. Okay, questions could be understood, they are very generic in nature, but you should have a set format, and that is why I'm starting with the format first. Okay, so as I told you in the beginning that IELTS writing task 2 should have at least 250 words. Okay, most of us tend to lose those 250 words, and if you are writing less than 250 words, then you are not achieving your task. So task achievement will make you lose half or one band. Okay, so make sure 250 words are adhered to. Okay, how to actually analyze that how many words you have written? Okay, so if you follow this format and if you stick to this structure, then you will always achieve your task of 250 words. Okay, so introduction should be the first thing. In introduction, forget about how you used to write articles and essays in schools and colleges. We are not here to introduce the essay in a very poetic way or in a very nice way. No, you're not supposed to start your essay with any simile, metaphor, or any kind of poem or any kind of comparison. You're not supposed to do that. Okay, so this is why IELTS writing is different. So what exactly you should be doing in introduction? Whatever question is given to you, you should rewrite the question in your own words. Okay, this is how you introduce the IELTS essay. Okay, so how to rewrite it? You will not copy words as it is. You have to use synonyms for each and every word. You have to change the sentence structure. You have to change the voice. You can also change the voice. If it is written in active, you can use passive voice. This is how you change and rewrite the introduction. So basically it means to paraphrase. Paraphrase means to paraphrase each and every word or each and every sentence in your own words, right? So this is the beginning of the essay, and it should take about 3 to 4 lines or 2 to 3 lines. Okay, you will rewrite the statements, and then you move to body paragraph 1. For any essay in IELTS, you should be writing about 2 opinions or 2 main ideas. 2 main ideas are more than enough along with other supporting ideas, but you should always make up your mind to have 2 main ideas, right? So in body paragraph 1, your idea number 1 introduces itself. Okay, you will introduce idea number 1 plus the explanation, okay, plus one example. So this will constitute for about 4 to 5 lines, right? So main point, you introduce your main point number 1, okay, with the explanation, supporting ideas, and also an illustration which will support your main point, right? Moving on to body paragraph 2, you will introduce idea number 2 or main point number 2 with supporting ideas with an illustration or example, and you will end it, right? Then we come to the conclusion of the essay. Conclusion is as important as introduction in IELTS. If you do not conclude your essay, you will lose on bands. So always make sure that you conclude the essay. What will come in conclusion? Idea number 1 plus idea number 2. Summarize it together in 2 to 3 lines, and that will be your conclusion, right? In most of the IELTS essay, you are supposed to give your opinion, right? So the last line could be your opinion. Okay, you could end in my opinion or according to me, you end it like that, but only if you're asked to do so. Other than that, you're not supposed to give your opinion. And in the introduction, after paraphrasing, you can also write this line that this essay is going to discuss. This I will discuss in my upcoming videos, but this is the set structure that you should follow. Please just have a look at this structure. This is a very beneficial structure. I have used it personally when I gave my IELTS exam, and I got a nice score based on this structure only. right? So this is the basic structure that you should follow in writing task 2. In my next video, I'm going to take a question thread, and then we will go point by point. We will write the introduction, body paragraphs and everything. That comes in later stage, okay? But first, before seeing the question, you should be clear in your mind that this is the structure, and you should just write your main headings and everything, jot down your notes. That is why this structure is important, right? So stay tuned for upcoming videos, and because I'm going to discuss very good questions and a variety of questions that are often very popular in IELTS writing task 2. So if you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much. Stay safe.